Luton Airport today. The summer season starts now, says the aviation industry, as the fully vaccinated will soon be exempt from quarantine on return. Here, passengers welcome the change many would have preferred sooner.
We've been too long locked down and want to get back to normality.
Our son works for an airline and he's been furloughed for 12 months and he's looking forward to working again. I think it'll make a big difference.
Fully vaccinated travellers from the UK won't isolate on return from more than 140 destinations on the amber list. Under 18s will also be quarantine exempt. It starts on the 19th of July, but you'll still need a pre-departure test when returning and one when you're back, adding to the cost of summer travel.
We won't be testing people for a moment longer than is required, but our primary responsibility, of course, is to protect people in the UK. We do not want to have a variant come in that we simply fail to pick up.
To be quarantine exempt, passengers will need to have had their second jab at least 14 days before travel. Now expect a surge in demand, which in turn will lead to higher prices at holiday hotspots on the amber list. And tonight, the Union for Immigration Staff has a stark new warning on airport queues.
It is inevitable, unfortunately, that there's going to be a significantly increased amount of queuing. We're simply not resourced for the range of checks that this is going to require. So whilst we're checking 100% every arriving passenger's COVID documentation, you can expect to wait for 3-4 times longer than you would do normally.
Portugal today, one destination to benefit from this policy shift. Across the travel trade, it's seen as a meaningful restart to international travel.
I think that in the main, there are still some good prices for holidays. However, as always, it'll be demand and supply, and it's probable that holiday prices will go up.
It's the first time vaccination will bring such privilege. For Christine Wrightson, it also brings problems. Not all her family will have been double jabbed soon enough.
My daughter has only had her first injection. We've looked at the recommended time between the first and the second injection so that she could get her second one sooner rather than later, and even with that in mind, she's not going to hit the dosage time after where it's effective, which means that we wouldn't need to quarantine being fully jabbed, but she would need to, so therefore she wouldn't be able to go.
The holiday getaway is a symbol of personal freedom, but balancing that with public health means this remains an uncertain summer. Chris Choi, News at 10, Luton Airport.